In order to know how and when to automate your bidding strategy, you need to know a few key points to make sure that you're making the right decision. Hi, I'm Sam Fields from Matter Solutions, and this here is Miley. She is our resident Dogatal marketing expert. I've run many campaigns in the last 5 years, and as a general rule of thumb, I don't start out automating their bidding. Personally, I like to use manual cost per click bidding with enhanced CPC. Manual CPC allows much better control over the positions that your ads show in. An automated bidding strategy will sometimes test out different positions, and sometimes those positions will be way too low. If it does hit that low position, then it will affect your click-through rate because less people will be able to see it and less people will click on it. As we all know, when you affect your click-through rate, you potentially affect your quality score, which could lower the performance of your entire account. Here's the thing though, setting up a campaign, you need to make sure that firstly, you have your keywords correct, your ad text correct, and of course, a whole heap of performance factors such as your bounce rate and the information that's on your website needs to be on point in order to make sure that you are going to get conversions as well. At the moment, Google seems to be wanting you to automate your bidding strategies. And they're actually using scare tactics like notifying you that your chosen bidding strategy is not recommended or that it may lower your performance. Notice the use of non-committal may instead of will. There are many different types of automated bidding. Some focus on clicks, some focus on conversions, and some focus on return on ad spend. If you are simply looking to get as many people viewing your website as possible, then maybe the maximize clicks is your best option. If you are looking to get more leads out of your account, then maybe the maximize conversions is your best option. Or you may be looking to get a stable profit margin, and in that case, employing the target CPA or target cost per acquisition might be your best option as well. In essence, you're telling Google that you are willing to pay X amount for a lead/conversion, and Google works out the rest. Now, Google used to recommend that you needed a minimum of 15 conversions in order to automate your bidding. I haven't actually seen this recommendation for a while, but I would strongly recommend it. The issue that I've seen with employing automated bidding strategies is often Google will not look at the history of the account, but will just start experimenting from the moment you turn that automated bidding strategy on. This can actually create a bit of a lag time where Google's testing. I've seen it up to 4 weeks. And in some cases, that can be extremely detrimental to a business because businesses rely on ongoing cash flow that results from receiving leads and sending out their salespeople. In order to change your strategy, all you need to do is log into your account, choose the campaign that you're looking to change, go into settings, then click on the change bidding strategy and choose your automated bidding strategy that you desire. By choosing to employ a manual bidding strategy initially, and then choosing a strategy based off the data in your account, knowing that your keywords and ad text are solid for your business, then you'll have much more success than allowing Google to experiment with your bidding straight off the bat. We post weekly content here at Matter Solutions. Please click like, it really helps us out, and check out the rest of our content here.
Close to your face, and then make something like really excited. Foot's in the way.
Yep.
And just have pores covering your face. So. Right, and something a bit more professional, like pondering. Yeah. Cool, that's good enough.